Dodge Ram. You guys may remember, this is the one that I fell in love with. You know, the one with the cool interior. Back in today because we are putting these wheels on that Ram.
You ever lifted a truck with these?
Not yet. It's actually kind of cool. They look like lowering links, but they're lifting links?
Yeah. Every 5 millimeters longer or shorter than stock is about 3/4 of an inch to an inch of a ride height difference.
Those are the factory ones? Oh my god, look how
So stock is 3 1/4. Okay. So I did a 15 millimeter difference on it.
Oh guys, it's rising. Dang, this looks really good. Dodge Ram 1500 with Vossen HF6-2. 20-inch wheels with 35-inch tires, front and rear. Tinted gloss black finish. We did raise the truck up about 2.5, closer to 3 inches to make sure the truck can clear the 35-inch tires, and it looks amazing. Before, the truck was a lot classier for sure with all the chrome everywhere, but now that the wheels are mostly gloss black and gunmetal, it just looks a lot meaner. For the tires, we went with Toyo RTs because these are a nice blend between mud terrain and all-terrain. They're still pretty aggressive, as you can see by looking at the tire tread, but it's not too rough to where it makes excessive road noise or anything like that. And here's the side profile just to show you guys the fitment. So flush with the fenders. Definitely a really clean setup. Not like an off-road style, but like a really clean city truck, that makes sense.